everybody, welcome back to Food Channel. Today we are going to see how to make mint rice. It's a very simple dish. Let's see how to make this. First, grind 4 green chilies and a bunch of mint leaves. Now the mint paste is ready. We are going to cook the Pudina rice in a cooker. So I have taken about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is hot, you are going to add cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and about half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add bay leaves and 3 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Let it become transparent. Next we are going to add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Next add about 1 large tomato. Saute the tomatoes till it becomes soft. Next we are going to add in the grinded mint paste. And quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. It and cook till the little oil separates. Now the masala is cooked. We are going to add required amount of water. I have taken raw rice today. I have taken 2 cups, so I am going to add 4 cups of water. That's for 1 cup, 2 cups of water is required. In case you are using basmati rice, then for 1 cup, 1.5 cups of water will be enough. And add required amount of salt. Let the water boil. Now the water is boiling. At this stage we can add the rice. This is Siraga Samba rice. It gives nice aroma, so I am using this rice today. Today I am using this cooker. Otherwise you can also use a pan and cook the rice separately and add it into the masala. At the end add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. We are going to close it and leave it for 1 whistle. So now our mint rice is ready. It can be served with raita, potato fry or papad, and egg omelette will also be very nice with this. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do try this recipe at home and leave your comments below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Food Channel. Thank you.